Hi, I'm Sim Smith and welcome to my Keep Calm and Bake series. In this episode, we're going to be making a classic Victoria sponge. The great thing about this recipe is that it's really simple. Unlike other Victoria sponge recipes, you just add all the ingredients in all together and mix it up. It's really, really easy. So what we're going to do is start with flour. So we need to sift that in, along with a teaspoon of baking powder. And as soon as that's sifted through, you just add all the other ingredients in to mix up. And now you just add your butter, sugar, and eggs. And finally, you just need a teaspoon of vanilla. And for the whole recipe and any instructions, just look in the description box. That's the vanilla in, and now we're going to mix it up. Once the mixture's all combined, you need to divide it in two, and the best way to do it is with a scale, or you can do it by eye if you prefer. Then you need to pour it out into two greased and lined tins. Once the mixture is spread evenly, and that is quite an important bit because you don't want a wonky sponge, they just need to go in the oven at 170 for 30 minutes. Now the cakes are out of the oven, and it's really important that you let them cool totally until you start putting the filling in. Now I'm going to start with some strawberries, which I've cut up and just mixed in with some jam. And that goes on the bottom because it's the heavier of the fillings. And what you want to do is just spread it out evenly. So now that that's on there, smooth it out. You don't really want it falling off of the sides. Now you take the second sponge, flip it upside down, and this is the cream part. So I've whipped some cream here in a mixer. You can do it by hand, but it will just take a bit longer. If you have a palette knife, great. If not, it's absolutely fine to use a normal knife. You can even use a spoon if you prefer. But you just want to get a really nice, even coating. Okay, and now for the fun part, it's time to flip it over. You don't need to do it too quickly because the cream should be quite thick. There we go. And now for the final bit, we're going to add some icing sugar on top. Now you can use some extra strawberries as well and decorate it and make it look really pretty. But I'm just going to stick with this for now. If you like this recipe, please remember to hit subscribe. That's my Victoria sponge, and hope to see you again soon.